That's the ship that we're going on. Icon of the seas. Hey guys, welcome back to Shannon Time. And today we're on a cruise ship for my brother's 16th birthday. And it's really windy out here. I would recommend going to somewhere where it's cold and warm at the same time, because it is burning me down to the ground in here. And we just got off for the island that we're going to. We're in St. Thomas. So my hair is always in my face. Just letting you guys know that. I'm really excited to go on the ship, and let's go. Come with me. So there's a lot of tables and chairs, and we have beautiful palm trees. See, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I think it's about to rain, so we're just gonna leave soon. And guys, comment down below which video I should do next, so I can do those videos. And I'll pick one lucky subscriber to give a shout out to. This is the water right here, and there's some pools. There's a yacht, I think. Oh, and guys, we have to do the pledge. Guys, we have to do the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, for liberty and justice for all. So, let's go. That was the water. It was a little bit dirty, but... Welcome back to Shannon Shines, and today we are eating some food from the Jamaican spot.
This is not a Jamaican spot.
It said Jamaican Italian. Okay, so first I got a burger, a vegan burger to be exact. I do not eat meat. And then my mom got chicken, rice, and mac and cheese. And Daddy got mac and cheese, broccoli, fish,
and brisket.
Let's see your food.
I destroyed it, okay? I didn't mean to, but I destroyed it. And I also got passion fruit lemonade. That's not a thing, but I guess it is here. We got something. We got some wristbands that you're supposed to put in your arm, and like these are the ones you're supposed to put on your arm so mosquitoes don't bite you and stuff. You can rub it like that. That's my dad. Here's my mom. She's very tired today. Can't blame her. I'm gonna eat one piece of salmon today. It's pretty good.
It's actually a whitefish called oahu. That was today's special.
Oh, pretty good. It just needs a little bit more seasoning.
That's fair. I'm gonna try a piece of this.
Just a little piece, Daddy. I don't really like broccoli that much.
Okay, well I think you're gonna like this.
Why not? I don't know, but...
Shake some of the juice off. It's really juicy. Very good.
Same thing as the white fish called. I don't even know what to say. Same thing as the white fish. It needs a little bit more seasoning, and it needs to be a little less spicy. I am a really picky eater.
That's a fair disclaimer. I think this is some really great broccoli. But when next time you're in St. Thomas, come check out Smoke Up. It's a fusion barbecue. They have really good items. I got the brisket, some white fish, macaroni. They have broccoli, of course, jerk chicken wings, rice. It's very good. Got me in a sweat. Really good.
Make sure you come to Smoke Up Barbecue. If the internet works, then I'm gonna do some shout outs. I don't know. It didn't work. Well, I think I'm gonna be giving a shout out soon, but not right now. So, guys, make sure you like and subscribe and turn on notifications so that I know you're watching. And I would have given shout outs out today, but didn't really have internet today, so we're gonna do this another day. So, bye guys. Stars, make sure you keep